Happy 15th of December and happy midway December. And it is just 10 days until Christmas. Christmas Day it is. And you can see I have the Santa hat on, but it is just 7 degrees Celsius plus. As you can see, the water is not frozen, which means we have a very mild December in Stockholm this year. And now I'm catching the very few minutes of sunshine in Stockholm, as so far this month until middle of the month there hasn't been a full hour of sun in the whole Stockholm. So I'm so happy that I'm witnessing now this very few moments of sunshine. It is 12 o'clock right now, 12:00, and I am out for a beach adventure. I haven't done a beach adventure in 8 days now. The last one was on the 2nd of Advent, last Sunday, and yesterday was the 3rd of Advent. And yeah, the weather was okay, I guess, but it was raining a lot. And now what I realize is that they have taken out the ladder here to get into the water, which will be a lot more challenging than it usually is. I measure the temperature in the water. We have 5 degrees Celsius in the air, and this is beach the number 162 this year, and one of my latest swims in December ever. 15th of December, I just can't believe. But yeah, we need to get used to this, because usually in December this lake is frozen, but with temperature of +7 that is almost impossible. The ducks are really enjoying the mild winter for sure. So with this rays of sunshine, let's then get into the water somehow. I'm not sure how, but yeah, the wind is blowing though, so it's not that warm. So don't let the sun fool you. And the Santa hat goes off, but it is the season, so I think it was appropriate of me to have the Santa hat for a bit. This is Lake Magelungen, and I'm in Fagersjö today. And yeah, it's time for a short beach adventure with Chris. I was missing actually my beach adventure, so I just wanted to give you a sneak peek that I'm still good for a swim, even though it will be challenging today. But I'm going to manage thanks to my upper body strength. Okay, let's not wait any longer and head into the waters of the lake for a quick dip. 5 degrees, it's still quite good. I'm not going to complain for sure. So let's just make sure that I can get out as well fairly good. What else? Yeah, Christmas is coming, and Stockholm is finally having some sunshine after the rainy and super cloudy month of December. And I really miss now the hot weather, actually, I'm not gonna lie. And hopefully we will be going into spring soon, in 3 months, but still that's quite soon. Okay, that's Chris ready for a dip in the lake Magelungen in Fagersjö, and the sun is coming also back. Okay, let's then head first with the legs. Oh, right, ready, set, and go. Ooh. Quite refreshing it is, I'm not going to lie. Ooh. 5 degrees, but so satisfying. Okay. Ooh. Then we need some strength to get up. But luckily it's not that deep where I am here, and I will definitely manage to go up. it is a bit slippery, so and I managed somehow, but I will not be redoing that, as it was a bit hard to get up when it's that cold waters. Otherwise I would have gone from the other side, as it is not that deep. So Chris has done one more ice bath. 5 degrees I can count as ice bath, even though there is no frozen lake. So I have gotten some of the things on my hand, but I'm alive and I'm looking forward to Christmas in 10 days. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.